A daytime truck ban will be implemented in Manila next week. This is in accordance with the new city government legislation signed by Mayor Joseph Estrada. Added details from Noel Perfecto.
After Manila Mayor Erap Estrada, Vice Mayor Isko Moreno, and majority of the city councilors signed the document, the city mayor announced that starting Monday, truck ban in Manila will be implemented starting from 9 until 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Whenever you introduce something new, there's always resistance. So we're used to that.
And we're ready.
We are ready to face any resistance.
According to the mayor, this will be strictly implemented to provide solution to the long-term problem of traffic on major and secondary roads in Manila. Meanwhile, Vice Mayor Isko Moreno said that they first looked into the issue before making the truck ban a city ordinance.
Pag binalagbag po ninyo ang truck nyo sa kalye, maaari nung araw minamaliit po ninyo ang Maynila dahil walang pang-towing ng truck. We are coordinating all towing companies in the entire Metro Manila to accommodate 4,000 trucks.
Some officials of the Aduana Business Club gave their reactions on the issue. They said this will be a big problem on Monday.
Pag-uusapan pa namin kung ano yung magiging plano ng grupo kasi hindi naman kami pwedeng makipag-away dyan. So, yung ibang mga driver, hindi na lang sir kasi lisensya namin ang mahuhuli.
While some are hopeful that this will catch the attention of President Aquino to temporarily halt the truck ban and give his time to the government and private sector to once again sit down and talk about the issue.
Lahat ng grupo nandun, lahat ng truckers, lahat are opposition dito sa ordinance na ito. I don't know how they get the wisdom na ipagpatuloy pa rin nila. Pero nung nandun ako sa council, sumama ako doon, nag-participate ako. Gut feel ko talaga itutuloy nila dahil sila they are more concerned of the yung ease of travel ng kanilang mga tao.
A solution is in order here. Dapat may solution yan. Walang problema nga na walang solusyon. Pero pwede natin makuha ang solusyon not by the City of Manila alone, but by all the government agencies concerned. Magtulungan.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfect.